So we're going to be taking a quick look at the 1000T that's in my backyard here. As you see, I mean, it's missing the screen, obviously. Some of these bolts are seized, the ones down here especially. I mean, it needs some cleaning, obviously, to be sanded down and repainted. But it's got the dirt up here because I had this thing face down. But this is heavy as hell, so I had to put some support on it. So this way it would just hold in place instead of falling right over. As you see, some of the bolts right there. These were a bitch to get in. This thing's really heavy. It probably weighs a good like 60 pounds, 70 pounds. And you have bolts down here underneath. But this is the housing, as you see. Really nice big housing. It's the size of my hand. We had this whole thing apart because at first it was kind of seized up. You could see some of the screws or pins are missing in this. But this thing's awesome. We'll take a look down here. And there's that piece, right? I only had two of these like halfway in because I couldn't get them in because I don't have enough people. But down here, look at this. There's the belt motor. As you see, the belt's still intact down there. It's got the two wires coming off of it. So obviously you could just plug this into any normal outlet. Same thing goes to the chopper right here. It's right to the chopper motor. As you see, I just ran it off a normal extension cord. And over here, you're going to have the gear. That little gear and the big gear. This gear looks like it's taking kind of a beating. It's all rusted, so it's definitely going to have to be disassembled and cleaned up or whatnot. But it should run the way it is. You can see definitely water got into this thing. As you see up here, the weather sealant right there is missing. But this thing is awesome. It's also got, I guess, a thing to lube it. I'm assuming that's what that's for. You can hook it up to that. But this thing is pretty cool. As you see, it is really, really big. Like the size of my arm right there. And I have the cover for it right here. But I just have it sitting on some bricks. And thing is pretty cool though. I'm going to take the whole thing apart just so you can see the inside and what it looks like and all. And I'm going to try to get the dimensions so I can put it on there and people can make, you know, a replica or whatever they want to do. This is a really cool thing now. I really love it. Check it out right now. Thank you guys for watching. You know, I know William puts a lot of work into his channel. I wanted to show this one.